Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today we are going to be learning how to make essentially stickers. So yeah, what do you need? Well, first off, you need yourself some StarCraft INKJET printable matte adhesive vinyl. Stuff's permanent, won't come off. It's like a sticker, exactly like we're making, oddly enough. The idea is to get as close to that as you possibly can. You need your StarCraft INKJET printable matte adhesive vinyl and some kind of adhesive and laminate to put over top to give it, that shine that stickers have, and also to protect it from like the elements, like water, stuff like that. On top of that, we're also doing a little bonus thing. I'm going to teach you how to use .plt files, or I think it's called a plotter file is what it is, to do print and cut on your solo without a computer, technically. Like, you don't have to use your computer to print and cut. It's great. You'll love it. What you're going to do first is find the image that you're going to, print and cut, preferably a PNG that is transparent background, because what's going to happen is we're going to drag and drop the image directly into the Create software, and it's going to assign cut lines to the outside, but not the inside. Like the outside part is gonna have cut lines, but nothing else is. It's just an outline, basically. That's what it is. After you drag and drop your picture into the Create software, whatever settings you have input in the software when you save your design as a .plt file, that file is going to retain all of that information. It's not gonna get rid of it. Essentially, you can't change any of the settings with a .plt file. So get them fine-tuned beforehand and then save it, and that'll save you a whole lot of trouble. You'll be able to use that file over and over again to get the same cut every time. Cool? Cool. So we've got our settings right, we've drag and dropped our thing. You can go up to the Create in the top right and hit Save to File. What you're gonna do then is get a flash drive of some kind, put it in your computer, and you're going to click on Choose right next to the Save Location part and find your flash drive. Click that, you're gonna name your file, then you're gonna click the Add Registration Marks little tick box and make sure that's checked. That's important. I'll explain why here in just a second. Then you can go ahead and click Save. After that, you can take your flash drive out and plug it into your solo. But then, after that, you're gonna click the Print and Cut option in the Create software, and you're going to just print your image with your registration marks on. After you've got your stuff printed and you pulled it out, you're going to grab your laminate, this stuff right here. I personally like to cut it down to size just to, makes it easier for me. You don't have to do it, I prefer to. After you've cut it down to size, which is 8.5 by 11, you are going to peel a little bit of it back so that you can cut the, just the excess little paper part off, and you're just gonna let that part go. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna line your laminate up with the printable and make sure it's as close as perfect. Get it? Then you're going to lay the top part down and kind of smooth it down. After that, you can fold the laminate over and just peel the backing off. It should just adhere perfect, and if not, you can go back over with your squeegee and just make sure there's no bubbles, no imperfections, anything like that. What I like to do after that is tape all of it down onto my cutting mat. That way it doesn't move, there's no chance of it getting messed up or anything. So after you put your cutting mat up into the solo itself, you're going to, on the little panel right, it's to the right of it, you're gonna tap the USB option in the top right. Then you're gonna click Open File. The U is what it is. So U : that. You press on that and you scroll until you find the file, your PLT file that we saved earlier. Then double tap on that file so that it selects it. Then you can go back to the main little area, and you're gonna wanna make sure that your little red cutting head is perfectly over the registration mark in the bottom right. It's gonna scan that one first and go from there. After you've done that, click USB again and then start cut. It's kind of it. The weeding process isn't, I wouldn't even call it weeding. You just peel the rest of the printable off and you're good to go. You've got yourself a nice little set of stickers. It's great. They're a good time. This can be used in all kinds of different ways. We've actually got a ton of different laminates on our website, not just this one that I'm showing right here. Got some star ones that are pretty nifty, but yeah, no, this is just our regular laser, I think it's called laser print laminate, something like that. That's all I've got for you today in our little inkjet printable series that we've got going here. So do with that what you will. I hope you make some cool stickers. Let us know. Tag us in our Instagram and our Facebook and stuff like that. Okay, catch you later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.